Well, we're not finished yet. What a rotten end to a nice trip. You can see that. Want these walls nice and thick. I've got a wood stove with me as well. I brought it with me last week. It's in the forest here. It's gonna get quite cold tonight, probably down to -7. Not sure how a wood stove is gonna work inside a nice house. There's one way to find out. Easy. What is it? What's down there? Mouse? Aha! Anyone who watches the channel knows exactly what this is for. Let's see. That's looking good. Gotta protect my number one. There you go. You stay warm. Right, thank you. Yep. hopefully. Perfect. I'm going to take a couple of boughs off each tree. Don't damage anything. Ah, that's my bed. Okay, it's our bed. Ah, get out of it. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's a nice bed. There you go. How about that? We better get the roof on quick. Hello there, mountain goat. Don't walk on that roof, you twat. Definitely a lot warmer in here. Let's just hope we don't melt it with the stove. Have to keep it on a low heat. I walked so far to get this. Whew. Oh, there we go. The door. Getting cold, anybody? I'm getting hungry. Goji's getting sleepy. You want your dinner? Yeah. Me and Goji are hungry. That fire took a long time to light. Sweet chili pork chops. Would you like one of them? Yes, please. Coming right up, bud. Oh, that was hot. Starting to get chilly outside. -2 outside Celsius. And right at ground level here, it is 8 degrees. That's not good. As long as the walls don't melt, we'll be good tonight. We're going to eat like cavemen today. Caveman and cave dog. No plates. Bit of salt for me, please. Oh, yes. Drill much? That's your own drill. Yeah, okay, cool enough. Go on. Yum, 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 yum. That tastes good, doesn't it? I knew you'd like it. Jeez, you need to choke yourself. One more thing before the evening's finished. Maltese or hot chocolate. Oh, that's a hot chocolate, alright. And what could we cool it down with? Any suggestions? Hey, you guessed it. Oh, we're setting fire to things again. Oh yes, nice drop of whiskey. That will warm me up before bed. Haha, and I don't have to share it with you because it's chocolate. Oh, that's fabulous. Hot chocolate and whiskey. You cleaning the pot? Good boy. You never miss an opportunity, do you? Wait, you toilet. You got toilet before bed? Oh, the door's frozen. Come on, door. Oh, there we go. Oh, off you go. Oh, the cold coming in there. No. Go around the other door. Go around. Good boy. I believe you're coming in the wrong door. (10°C) on the ground. Right, time to take off the wet gear. That's good. Well, wish me luck. I think we'll be okay, won't we, buddy? Whoops. I see you in the morning. Hey there, green collar. Not gonna sleep with that on. Good morning. For once, I actually woke Goji up because I needed a pee. Snowed a bit last night. I'll come back here in a few days, tidy everything up and collect the stove. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Me and Goji had great fun again. Turns out Goji loves snow. Well, we're not finished yet. What a rotten end to a nice trip. My car was parked back down there. Now it's parked here. And this is what's left of it. That's shocking, isn't it? Poor old car.